What is Microsoft Foundry Local? Foundry Local is a high-performance, on-device AI runtime from Microsoft. It brings fast, private, and customizable AI to your device at lower cost, offering key features like performance, privacy, customization, and cost advantages. It's built to run AI models efficiently at the edge. How to get started with Foundry Local? Install Foundry Local by running the command Winget install Microsoft.Foundry Local. It's quick and easy, just one line to bring powerful, on-device AI to your system. Foundry Local architecture is designed for on-device AI. The benefits include low latency and strong data privacy, ensuring fast, secure performance without relying on the cloud. To install Foundry Local on your computer, open the command prompt and enter Winget install Microsoft.Foundry Local. Enter Foundry model list in the command prompt to view the large language models available for use. To download a model on your computer, type Foundry model run, then the name of the model. Let's download DeepSeq R1-7B and watch it come to life, ready to answer questions right on your device. On-device AI, in real time, no cloud required. It's a powerful example of what Foundry Local can do with just one command. To learn more about Foundry Local and how on-device AI can supercharge your projects, visit jmartin.consulting. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI content, demos, and deep dives. There's plenty more innovation coming your way. Don't miss out.